Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, another reading na naman tayo today for the water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. No? So, hi, kamusta kayo dyan, no, mga water signs natin? So, let's see anong career situation nyo mga water signs, no? And of course, possible lucky numbers or kung may makuha tayong color, no, within this week. And message or advice for you ni universe, no, mga water signs natin, right? No, so let's start with you, Cancer. So hi, kamusta ka dyan, Cancer, no? So tignan natin anong career situation natin, no, ninyo pala, no, mga Cancer, right? So tignan natin. Na-shuffle ko na rin naman to kanina, no? So career situation ng mga Cancer natin, please universe, no? Kuha tayo dito ng 3 cards for you, Cancer, no? Tignan natin. 3 cards for Cancer, please universe. 3 cards para sa mga Cancer. So, tignan natin yan. So, you have this, no? Pretending not true, no? So, no? Meron daw dito, Cancer, no? Meron ka sa iyong businessman sa co-worker man ito, no? 'Di ba? Or kung nag-aaral ka pa, maybe, no? Sa mga classmate, no? Meron ditong nagpapanggap lang, no? Hindi siya totoo, maybe nagiging nakikipagkaibigan sa inyo to, or maybe for some of you, business partner mo ito, no? Hindi siya totoo, no? Nagpapanggap lang siya, no? Something like that, no? So, or kung co-worker man ito, no? Akala mo ay friendly sa'yo, no? Gusto kang tulungan, but then, hindi totoo, no? Nagpapanggap lang. So, may hidden agenda to, right? No? So, let's see what else. Diba, sabi ko sa'yo, backstab, no? Diba, may nangyari na siguro, no? For some of you, Cancer, kasi na-backstab ka na rito, no? But still, di ba, you are still standing, no? Nakabangon ka pa rin, no? With that, no? So, and then siguro nga, nangyari na ito, no? For some of you, and for some of you ay mangyayari pa lang, kaya beware, no? But then, of course, hindi pa rin mawawala, no? Siguro nga, gusto talaga nila, for some of you ay Cancer na talagang mag-fall down ka, no? Something like that. May mga gustong pabagsakin ka talaga, no? So, what else? Soon to travel, di ba? Siguro maganda yung nagiging career ninyo talaga right now, no, mga Cancer, at maraming naiinggit, no? Something like that, no? You will be traveling soon pa, no? And continuous, no, to reach your goal, no? Kaya wag kayong susuko, Cancer, no? Kung ano man to mga pagsubok yan yung mga namba-backstab na yan. Sinusubukan lang din kayo yan kung hanggang saan kayo, right? So, wag kang susuko, wag mong ipapakita sa kanila na matatalo ka ng mga ginagawa nila. So, laban ka lang, no, mga Cancer, no? 'Di ba? Marireach mo rin yung goal mo soon, right? Basta, ayun, no, naputol yung ating video, no? So, no, wag kayong susuko, no? Reach your goal, no? So, that's it, no, mga Cancer. And let's see anong possible lucky numbers nyo within this week, no? Or kung may color tayong makuha for you, mga Cancer natin. So, kuha tayo ng 3 cards here, no, mga Cancer. So, 3 cards for you, Cancer. So, tignan natin yan. So, you have 44, no? So, for some of you, this is also an angel number, no? 44, no? You can check it out, no, sa Google, no, to see what's your angel guides, no, message for you, no, mga Cancer natin, right? So, what else? So, you have gold, no? Meron kayong kulay, no? So, you have color gold. You have gold, no? So, what else? So, you have 60, right? No? So, yan, no, mga Cancer. So, again, no, repeatedly, no, kung makakita kayo ng ganitong mga numbers repeatedly, is you will receive something na positive news, good news, no? Something like that, no? So, within this week, no? Pag nakakita kayo ng repeatedly numbers like this, no? Within this week, no? And you will receive some good news, no? And with this gold, no? Maybe, pwede kayo magsuot ng, kung may gold kayo, o jewelry, no? Isuot nyo, no? Within this week to attract positivity, right? No? So, maganda, meron kayong kulay din dito, no? So, you have gold, no? So, yeah, that's it, no, mga Cancer. So, tignan naman natin anong message or advice for you ni Universe, no, Cancer. So, yeah, kuha tayo ng one card for you, Cancer. Message or advice for you ni Universe. So, what is this? So, yan, no, mga Cancer natin dyan. So, you have this, in touch with your body, no? So, sinasabi dito, no, ni Universe, no, ina-advise kayo na, to nourish yourself, no, eat healthy foods, no, mag-detox, no, something like that, no, eat, fruits, no, kailangan nyo talaga siguro din, focus kayong right now sa inyong mga sarili, no, mga Cancer, no, nagpapaganda kayo. So, maybe kung ito yung ginagawa nyo ay sinasabi ni Universe na ituloy-tuloy nyo lang. And then for some of you, you have to be you have to be fit, no? Something like that. Hindi naman talagang as in sexy, no? But then, physically fit like, no, health, no? Yung baga ay healthy, no? Something like that, no? So, you have to detox then, no? For some of you. Then, of course, fruits, no? Yeah, kailangan nyo. And then, talagang kailangan ay parang siguro for some of you Cancer ay nakakalimutan nyo ng alagaan din yung inyong sarili, right? Because of the stress, no? Around you, no? So, it's time naman din na prioritize din yung sarili mo, no? For some time ay, yeah, no? I-priority mo din, no? Kailangan mo ding alagaan ang iyong sarili, right? No? So, yeah, that's it for you, mga Cancer, no? So, I hope naka-resonate ka sa reading natin for you, Cancer. So, yeah, thank you for watching, Cancer. So, yeah, no, let's proceed to you, Scorpio. So, kamusta ka dyan, Scorpio, no? Tignan natin anong career situation ng mga Scorpio natin, right? So, kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, Scorpio. 3 cards for you, Scorpio. No, hindi tayo kukuha ng mga nalalaglag. So, tayo ang mismo kukuha. Kasi minsan ang daming nalalaglag eh. So, yan, 3 cards for Scorpio, please, Universe. So, 3 cards for Scorpio. So, you have this creativity, progress, no? So, for some of you, Scorpio, no, you are this, no, marami kayo, sobrang creative kayo na siguro yung mind nyo, no, maraming naiisip, no? So, kumbaga ay na-enhance yung inyong mind, no, ang inyong creativity, no? So, continue nyo lang to kung ano man itong mga ginagawa nyo within your creativity, no? Kasi nagbubunga siya, no? Something like that, no? So, what else? Hidden enemy, lover, ex-lover, no? So, yan, no? For some of you, Scorpio, no? Meron kayong hidden enemy, no? Maybe ito yung nagsasabotahe ng iyong finances, no? Kung ano man ang iyong source of income, no? Ito yung nagsasabotahe, no? For some of you, no? Pwedeng lover mo pa ito or pwedeng ex mo na, no? Something like that, no? So, just take what's resonate for you, mga Scorpio, right, no? Pwedeng kasama mo pa ngayon or pwedeng ex mo na, no? Kung maalalaman mo naman yan kung lagi kayong may conflict ng iyong partner, right, no? So, maybe ay yung sa business nyo, kung may family business kayo, no? Sinasabotahin niya yun. Maybe ay meron siyang ginagawa para siguro ay hindi maganda ang inyong income, no? Meron siyang ginagawa, baka kinukuhanan niya, no? Something like that, right, no? Kasi nga, career tayo, finances, so meron siyang ginagawa. Something like that, no? So, what else? Higher position, respected, no? So, yan, no? Maybe for some of you, Scorpio, no? Kung may business kayo talaga yung business owner or kayo yung mas nakakaangat dito sa partner mo, no? And then, marami ding nagre-respeto sa inyo, no? Maybe or for some of you, may-ari kayo ng kung ano, right? Business nga, di ba? Company, pwede rin, no? But siguro etong lover mo na to or ex-lover mo na to ay naiinggit sa'yo, sa iyong position, no? Something like that, no, mga Scorpio, no? So, kaya binabackstab ka nito, may ginagawa to, no? Kaya beware ka dito sa tao na ito, Scorpio, right? So, kailangan ay magdistansya ka sa tao at obserbahan mong mabuti, lalo na kung lover mo pa ito, no? Kakonect mo pa siya right now, no? So, wina-warningan ka na dito, no, mga Scorpio. So, I think nararamdaman mo na din yan, no? So, tingnan naman natin. What are the possible lucky numbers for you within this week, no, mga Scorpio natin? So, let's see. Kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, Scorpio. 3 cards for Scorpio. So, yeah. 3 cards for Scorpio, please. So you have silver, no? So you have silver, 9, and dalawa, no? Red. Meron ka ring silver and red, no? So, yan, no? Lucky number mo is 9, no? So, lucky 9. Lucky 9. Parang lucky. Yan, number 9, no? So, you have number 9, Scorpio, no? So, if you see this number repeatedly, no, within this week ay may marireceive kang good news, no? Or positive. Something like that, no? So, and then you have this silver and red, no? Your lucky colors within this week, no? Maybe may mga silver kang jewelry, pwede mo ring isuot within this week, or magsuot ka din ng red, no? Kasi dalawa, no? So you have to wear it or dalhin mo lang, no? Sa araw-araw within this week to attract positivity, no? Mga Scorpio natin dyan, no? Silver and red, no? And of course, number 9, no? So tignan naman natin what's the message or advice for you ni universe, no, mga Scorpio natin. Kuha tayo ng 1 card for you, Scorpio. Advice or message for you ni universe, no, Scorpio. So yeah, what is this? So you have multiple streams, no? So maybe, no, for some of you, no, kasi nga masyado kayong creative, no? Mga Scorpio, no? Maybe ay ano rin, no, nasa media kayo, no, social media kayo, may mga ano kayo, no, platforms kayo, may mga platforms kayo, no, around social medias, no. So continue nyo lang kung ano yung ginagawa nyo. So ayan yung pagiging creativity nyo, no, for some of you Scorpio, no. So ilabas nyo, no, and ayun yung makakatulong sa inyo for your stability, no. So sinasabi dito ni universe is to enhance, to make it more creative, no, yung iyong your creativity, no. So ano mo pa siya, i-enhance mo pa, no, something like that, no. So kumbaga ito talaga yung forte mo, no, something like that, no, mga Scorpio, no. So dito ka mas makikilala, no. Kaya siguro meron kang respected, no, something, kasi maraming hahanga sa'yo, no, something like that, no. So yeah, that's it for you, mga Scorpio natin. So I hope naka-resonate kayo sa inyong reading today. So yeah, that's it for you, and thank you for watching, Scorpio. So yeah, no, let's continue with you, Pisces, no. So kamusta ka dyan, Pisces, no. So let's see anong career situation ng mga Pisces natin right now, no. Career situation ninyo, mga Pisces. Kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, Pisces. So, yeah. Tignan natin yan. So, ano ito? So, you have this, no, new business, career opens, no? So, yan, no, for some of you, Pisces, na maybe ay nagbabalak na kayong mag-open ng new business ninyo. Baka magkakaroon ng expansion for some of you, or mag-change ng business, career, no, for some of you, no. So, yan, no, tignan pa natin what else. Truth will be revealed soon, no. So, yan, no, for some of you, Pisces, no, maybe ay nagkaroon ng problema sa inyong job before, no, kaya siguro for some of you, mag-change career kayo, no, dahil nagkaroon ng mga problema sa inyong past job, no, sa inyong, or kung sa businessman ito, no, may mga nangyari, something like that, and then, no, from that, sinasabi rito, malalaman mo rin kung ano yung katotohanan behind that, no? Kung ano man yung mga naging reason bakit nangyari yun sa iyong career, no? Something like that, businessman, trabaho man, no? Something like that ng mga Pisces, no? So, meron talaga baka may nagsabotahe, no? Something like that, no? So, malalaman nyo rin soon anong dahilan, bakit nangyari yun, no? Yung problema na yun. So, kayo lang nakakaalam din nun, mga Pisces. So, what else? So, success is on its way. No? So, di ba, may success ka rito. So, kapag nag-open ka ng new business, huwag kang matakot, no? Because siguro nga mag-change kayo ng business career kasi nga may nangyari na problema dun sa dati nyong business, sa inyong job, no? Kaya nag-iisip na kayo na magpalit na, no? Change of business, career, no? Something like that, no? So, huwag kayong matakot na mag-pursue ulit ng panibago because success is on its way, no? Maybe talagang may nagsabotage lang sa inyo, no? That's why. At malalaman nyo na rin yan very soon, no, mga Pisces, kung sino behind that sabotaging your finances, no? Something like that, no? So, basta don't worry to open again, no? Bumangon ka ulit, no? Nalugi ka man, no? Nawalan ka man ng work, bangon ka lang, no? Huwag kang mawalan ng pag-asa because success is on its way, no? So, huwag kang mawalan ng pag-asa. There is always hope, no, mga Pisces, no? Magdasal lang kayo palagi, right? No, for sure, lagi kayong nagdadasal, no? So, huwag kayong matatakot sa mga taong nananamantala, nagsasabotahe sa inyo, no? So, yeah, that's it for you. No, sorry, may message or advice pa pala for you ng Pisces. So, anong message or advice for you ni Universe? So, ano ba tayo? Sorry. Nawawalan na ako kasi anong oras na pala. No? So, yeah, tignan natin. Possible lucky numbers for you this week, no, Pisces, or color, no, kung may makuha tayo, kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, Pisces, no, nagmadali. Nagmadali no, so, tignan natin. So, you have this 48, 45, and number 8, yan, no, so, that's are your possible lucky numbers within this week, no, so, again, no, repeatedly, no, kapag nakita nyo itong mga numbers na ito within this week, repeatedly is may marireceive kayong good news, no, something positive, no, ang marireceive nyo, no. So, yeah, that's it, no, mga Pisces, no. Again, 48, 45, and number 8, no. So, tignan natin what is the message for you or advice ni Universe, no, mga Pisces natin. So, let's see. Kuha tayo ng 1 card for you. 1 card for Pisces, please. 1 card for Pisces. So, you have this, no, 10, the, scale, no? So, kung makikita mo rito, 10/90, no? Ang timbang, no? So, sobrang dami ng sa kabila, right? No? So, dito is, kumbaga, 10% and the other, scale is 90% na, no? So, hindi balance, no? So, maybe for some of you Pisces, no, sinasabi dito ni Universe to balance yourself, no? Masyado kang nagbibigay sa mga tao sa paligid mo, no? You have to balance yourself, no? Whatever it is, no, sa career, no, sa career mo is siguro masyado kang kuha ng favor ng iba, right? No, so yung sarili mo yung naiiwan, no, something like that, no. Ginagawa mo yung trabaho ng iba, no, kung sa job man ito, kung sa business man ito, right? Siguro kahit parang palugi na, binibigay mo pa rin. Hindi dapat ganun. Kasi kaya ka nga nagbi-business is para kumita ka, di ba? Para may income ka at meron kang mai-provide sa iyong family, right? That's the business, no? That's why you are into business, no? So, wag kang palabigay ng bigay ng bigay because ikaw yung naiiwanan ng zero, no? Something like that, no? So, wag mong ubusin yung dapat ay sa'yo. Walang masama magbigay, walang masama na, humingi ng favor ang iba sa'yo. It's okay, but then, balance lang dapat. Hindi parang overall, all in ka na, no? Something like that ng mga Pisces, no? So, ayun yung sinasabi sa iyo dito ni universe, no? Trabaho ka ng trabaho, but then iba yung nakikinabang, no? Something like that, no? You have to balance yourself. Ikaw din ang nahihirapan for sure, no? So sa inyo mga Pisces, no? So yeah, no, that's it for you Pisces, no? So I hope naka-resonate kayo sa inyong reading today, no, mga Pisces, no? And yeah, overall water sign, no, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces, no? So yeah, kailangan lang talaga ay more trabaho lang, no? Konting tiyaga pa, no? Tiis, tiyaga, no? Makakamit nyo rin yung mga goals in life nyo, no? And of course, beware din kayo sa mga tao sa paligid nyo na gusto kayong pabagsakin, no? Ayaw kayong aangat or aasenso man lang, no? Something like that. And of course, sa mga taong nananamantala sa inyo, no? Kaya kailangan ay aware kayo, maging mapagmasid na kayo sa mga tao sa paligid nyo, no? Right, no? So, marami talagang, kumbaga, evil eye, no, sa inyong paligid, no? So, you have to protect yourself, no, mga water sign. So, yeah, that's it for you, mga water sign, no? So, always pray lang kay God, kumapit lang kayo para yung mga evil eye sa inyo ay hindi magtagumpay, no? Something like that, no? So, yeah, God bless you all, water sign, and thank you for watching, water signs.